What's up everybody, Andrew Wille here with Adorama TV. I'm a professional photographer and content creator based here in LA, and today I've got the new DJI Action 2. I'm gonna take it out in the city for a full day of shooting. Let's see what this thing can do. What's up guys, we're at our first location here, and one of my favorite things about this little camera is that it can just magnetically clip right onto the POV necklace. So as someone who does a lot of Reels and TikTok videos, getting that behind the scenes footage has never been more easy than it is with this device here. So let's just start getting out, taking some photos, and I'll show you what the footage looks like from that behind the scenes look. All right, now I'm gonna set up a couple different time-lapse options here, and this is just a really great place for that because we have all this different motion going on. We have the cars moving around, we have the clouds up in the sky as well too. And another thing that I love about this is that it actually attaches to all of the popular action cam mounts too, so I can hook it up to my tripod and it's gonna be really easy to get that shot. As a street photographer, I'm always looking for unique perspectives, and sometimes all you gotta do is look up. So we're gonna use this thing's wide field of view to get some unique perspectives of these palm trees here. Another feature that I absolutely love about this device is its front-facing camera, which is perfect for vlogging. Right now though, I'm gonna snap it back to my necklace and let's go take some photos. One feature I haven't talked about yet is the fact that you can detach this into two separate little pieces, making it perfect to actually attach to an FPV drone. That said, let's see what this thing can do. Alright guys, and that wraps up today's video. Again, I'm Andrew Wille with Adorama TV, and this was our first look at the new Action 2. I really love all the features that we showcased today, and we're gonna finish this off with a nice time-lapse of the sunset behind me. Let me know what you think of DJI's new Action 2 down below in the comments. And if you'd like to check one out today, head over to adorama.com. Catch you later.